Welcome to Roop Niwas Palace, one of the legendary palaces in Rajasthan. And I think you can see one of the stars of the show is the Mewari horses. I think you can observe, sorry my darling, the lovely ears in the shade here. It's a hot sunny day in Rajasthan. The palace is absolutely magnificent, huge grounds. Many people stop by on their way to Bikaner or Jaisalmer. It's in the heart of the Shekhawati region. It's absolutely beautiful. The whole concept of these palaces is heritage, friendly smiling staff. If you love horses like my wife does, you can get out on a short trek or even be nibbled by one, thank you. This is not a place for luxury travellers. Don't come here expecting to be fawned on and have everything working perfectly. But you will enjoy your stay in rural Rajasthan and have a wonderful time.